Hello, this is M. Tolman coming to you at, I don't know if you can see the time there, 10:19. It's mirrored, so yeah. Well, what I have here is a Henry the Green Engine book. Now, it may just look like any other book, but this 1967 print has a lot to offer. Let's look inside, shall we? Well, first off, the main reason I got this from eBay is because it's autographed by Christopher Audrey. Isn't that cool? It says Andrew. I guess that was the name of the guy who originally had it. Yeah, Christopher Audrey. And the note says, "Happy reading, best wishes." Yeah. And as we go in, it's basically the same book, and the same basic illustrations. And if you're wondering, since this is before 1972, if it said as black as in Cole or Henry Sneeze, it doesn't. It still says it. And here, if you've noticed, Henry has square buffers here. Okay. And let's continue. Same basic illustrations. So yes, this is, oh yeah, and in this, on the bus, it says Troublesome Engines. It says, hang on, let me look at it. Yeah, it says coming soon, Troublesome Engines. You obviously, you YouTube people can't read it because of my darn camera. Well, anyway, let's continue. Scarf for Percy. Henry Sneeze. It still says as black as coal. I mean, as soot. So, yes, and so that is my video of my autographed Henry the Green Engine book. And, it has Railway Map, Thomas's Christmas Party, and Papa Books. Well, this is M. Twillman here with, oh yeah, and there's one more thing. This 1967 print, hang on. Yeah, this is 1967, but it says, as in other books in the series, James and the Diesel Engine. Like, how is that possible? Unless it was a 1967 print made after. But I'm very happy to get this off eBay for £4 GBP and $7 US currency. So this is a really good deal, and thank you, user Allison. Alright. I'm very happy with this book, and this is M. Twillman here saying, signing off.